In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number on Amazon Jobs. By the end of this walkthrough, your phone number will be added to your candidate profile so you can receive timely updates about applications, interviews, and offers. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Amazon Careers website at amazon.jobs. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and access your candidate account so you can reach your profile settings. On the homepage, look toward the top right-hand corner. There, you'll see an option labeled My Career. Click that to open your personal area. From the options that appear, choose My Profile. This takes you to your candidate details, where you manage the information recruiters use to contact you. Next, select My Settings. This is where you control how Amazon communicates with you. Inside Settings, find the section called Notification Preferences. This area determines the channels used for updates, and adding a valid phone number helps ensure you don't miss time-sensitive messages. Within Notification Preferences, look for the phone number field. To update it, click the small pencil icon next to the phone number entry. This opens the edit form. Type in your primary number carefully. If there's a country dropdown, choose the correct country code first. Enter a number you keep with you, and that can receive text messages, since verification codes are typically sent by SMS. Avoid adding extra symbols or extensions beyond what the form allows, and double check for typos before proceeding. When you're ready, you have two choices. You can save the number now and verify it later, which records the number but leaves it unverified, or you can request a verification code immediately. Verifying right away is recommended so your alerts are fully enabled. If you opt to verify, select the option to get the verification code. Amazon will text a short code to the number you entered. When it arrives, enter the code in the field provided to confirm ownership. If the message doesn't come through after a minute or two, ensure you selected the correct country code, confirm that your device has signal and can receive SMS, and then request a new code once. After successful verification, look for a confirmation message and make sure the phone number shows as verified in Notification Preferences. Before you leave, ensure this number is set as your primary contact and that any other entries are accurate. Save your changes if prompted, and you're all set. That's it. Your phone number is now added to your Amazon Jobs profile, helping you stay on top of every update.